Congratulations on graduating college. Feeling lost and confused after graduation is normal, but take this time to explore your options and relax. Recharge by taking time for yourself, reconnecting with friends, and establishing a strong routine for better mental and physical health. Consider trying new hobbies or traveling to discover passions you might not have been able to explore as a student. Volunteering can help you gain experience and beef up your resume, while applying to graduate school or internships can further your education and career. Don't rush into a full-time job if you aren't finding a good fit. Don't be afraid to consider part-time positions, which may help you ease into post-grad life while you find what you want to do long-term. Remember, it's okay not to have all the answers right away. Take your time to figure out what's best for you.